Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is FAAS. FAAS stands for Functional as a Service. Let's start it. Functional as a Service. Services FAAS is a cloud computing model that enables developers to run code without managing infrastructure. FAAS key feature: first is serverless, no server management required. Second is event driven functional execute in response to events. Third is scalability, automatic scaling. Four is cost effective, pay per use pricing. Five is flexibility, support for multiple programming language. FAAS benefits: first is reduce cost, second is increase productivity, third is improved scalability, four is enhanced reliability, five is faster deployment, six is simplified maintenance, seven is real-time data processing, eight is IoT support, nine is machine learning integration, 10 is enhanced security. FAAS providers: first is AWS Lambda, second is Google Cloud Function, third is Microsoft Azure Function, four is IBM Cloud Function, five is Oracle Cloud Function, six is Cloudflare for workers, seven is Netlify functions, eight is Oracle functional. FAAS use cases: first is real-time data processing, second is API gateway, third is IoT application, four is machine learning, five is serverless web app, six is microservices architecture, seven is event driven architecture, eight is chatbots, nine is image processing, 10 is video processing. FAAS programming language: first is Node.js, second is Python, third is Java, four is Go, five is Ruby, six is PHP, seven is C hash, uh, 8 is Kotlin, 9 is TypeScript, 10 is Swift. FAAS tools and frameworks: first is serverless framework, second is AWS SAM, third is Google Cloud SDK, four is Azure Functional CLI, five is IBM Cloud CLI, six is Oracle Cloud CLI, seven is Cloudflare Workers CLI, eight is Netlify CLI, nine is Oracle CLI, 10 is Zapier. FAAS security consideration: first is authentication, second is authorization, third is data encryption, four is data network security, five is functional isolation, six is dependency management, seven is logging and monitoring, eight is error handling, nine is complaints, 10 is governance. FAAS best practices: first is use environment variables, second is implement logging and monitoring, third is optimize functional performances, four is use caching, five is implement security measure, six is test thoroughly, seven is use continuous integration and development, eight is monitor cost, nine is use variant control, 10 is document functional. Here are more topics related to function as a service. FAAS: first, FAAS advanced topics: first is serverless architecture pattern, second is event driven architecture, third is microservice architecture, four is server oriented architecture SOA, five is cloud native application, five four six is DevOps and continuous integration, seven is continuous deployments and monitoring, 8 is serverless security and compliance, 9 is FAAS and IoT integration, 10 is machine learning and AI with FAAS. FAAS providers comparison: first is AWS Lambda versus Google Cloud Function, second is Azure Function versus IBM Cloud Function, third is Oracle Cloud Function versus Cloudflare Workers, four is Netlify functional versus Oracle functional, five is serverless frameworks versus AWS SAM. FAAS use cases: first is real-time data processing and analytics, second is API gateway and management, third is IoT application and device management, four is machine learning and AI model deployment. 5 is serverless web application and static sites.